There have been a record amount of rescues this year, so always bring your 10 essentials with you.
Snow Lake Trail. Looks like there's a pretty good amount of snow still on the ground. Very beautiful trail, so many little creeks and waterfalls all along.
It's running big right now, and there's still so much snow around here.
Oh yeah. Here we go. So we are about to go up this very snowy hill. Ah, mosquito. No big deal. Ah. Well,
You have a tread problem.
I have a tread problem.
Yay! All right, since we're bored on the trail, we get to see Jessica's special skill. Oh.
Here we are with this beautiful view. Just incredible.
Yeah, just get out there. It's so beautiful out here.
The main trail goes down to the lake, but since the lake is still frozen and the path down there is still covered in snow, we just took a left and went up to the lookout today.
Summer in Washington, playing in the snow.
Wait, I didn't prep my ass. What are you gonna do?
I don't know yet.
Bobsled. I lost my pole in one of these holes earlier. It just fell right in and I had to dig it out. Once again, it's really important to check trail conditions before going on a hike anywhere. And I did check, and the last trip report that I read said that it was snow-free. So, whew, I should have checked again, because if we would have known, we would have brought our bikes with us, which we didn't, and that would have made it a lot easier. But this has been a really fun adventure, just trying not to slide, and yeah, so we'll come more prepared next time. All this is gonna eventually come crashing down, so when walking on it, it can get a little dangerous. Like in these spots right here. Yeah, so I'm gonna stay away from that area.
Nice.
And we're back. Not a lot of people in the parking lot.